Happy New Year! I'm gonna do unboxing of my present, and this is a head strap for Meta Quest 3. And this is not just a head strap, this is a head strap with a double knob head strap, so it should be super comfortable, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So it comes in the box, and I just will take away this cover. The box looks like this, and here there is an instruction how you can adjust. So there are like knob is here, then you can do also adjustments here, and head strap adjustment, and adjust the tightness of the top feet wheel, secure the top strap you had. So this should be very cool. I can't wait to show it. And it comes such bag, in a plastic bag, makes the VR experience more carefree. Yeah, this is wow. Okay, look how this cushion is soft. Wow, it's so soft. And here as well, and here you can like do adjustments, and here you can do adjustments as well. So if you can see, here's a knob and here's a knob, so it's like a double knob here. And yeah, it looks very cool, guys. So this is the default strap for Meta Quest 3, and it's pretty simple one. So if you're planning to use Quest 3 for a lot of different games and planning to use it like every day, I would recommend get some custom head strap because it's much more comfortable. So here I added this one new to my Meta Quest 3, and you can see that there's here's knob for adjustment and here's knob for adjustment, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. And it's so much comfortable, so it will allows me to play comfortably Meta Quest 3 and to create a cool content for you. So I'm gonna add the link into the comment and into my bio. So yeah, if you want to make your experience better, I would definitely recommend to buy a custom head strap.